Welcome back to our channel, where we provide tools and resources to aspiring entrepreneurs who need help with starting an online business. I hope you are well. Today, we would be discussing business ideas you can start with no skills. Before we begin, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time we post. So let's get right into the video. We would be discussing white labeling. This is when a product or service removes their brand and logo from the end product and uses the logo of the purchaser on the product or service. This is sometimes referred to as private labeling. They can be used interchangeably. Some may argue that this business model is illegal, but there is absolutely nothing wrong with white labeling. It is in fact a very wise and beneficial way of starting a business. White labeling can help you quickly spin up a business around an existing product. You can add your own style, touch, and branding to the service. You really do not need any creative skills to sell white label services. Here are 7 reasons why white labeling is extremely beneficial. Number 1. It helps start a business quickly. Number 2. It helps create a unique product idea which would leave your friends in awe. Number 3. It helps build brand credibility. Number 4. It helps strengthen customer loyalty. Number 5. It helps save time and money. Number 6. It helps avoid costly mistakes that happen during product development. Number 7. It helps you focus on your brand's core competency. If you're gaining value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe because this helps us stay motivated in making these sorts of videos. Services you can white label include: Number 1. Digital advertising services. You could offer YouTube and Facebook ads campaign management. If you are interested in learning how to manage Facebook ads, please use the link to access a free Facebook ads course. Number 2. Social media marketing. You could offer content creation, scheduling, and managing posts for clients. Number 3. Website solutions. With websites being the core aspect of any online business, it's no surprise it's on our list. You can offer services like web design services and WordPress design services. Number 4. Graphic design. Every business needs graphic design. It's one of the easiest services to offer. Number 5. SEO. These services are designed to help clients rank their business on the first page of Google to increase visibility. The easier a business gets found on Google, the easier they get visited, the easier it is to make sales. These are the top 5 we would suggest you start off with. I certainly hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time we post a video. So which business idea did you like the most? Please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.